Yeah, so in this, for example, you are playing as black and I am playing as white, and I will play some moves and you will tell me which move you will do and why, and then I will tell you what should be the good option right now. So we will play at least like 8 to 10 moves, and then we will discuss that these are the 5 or 6 things we should keep in mind in the opening.
Okay.
So and we will do this like twice or thrice. I will play different openings so that you know with all of them how to respond.
Yes, yes, no problem.
Okay, so first we will see with the
Previous game I lost my queen badly. I said, "What am I doing?" I got totally demoralized. It had gone
yeah, I saw that bishop. Yeah.
horribly bad. I had too many
Okay.
things on my head actually today. Okay.
So white
That
play
is D4. No, what you played is D4. Am I right?
e4 e4.
D E4. By being white, we play E4. Huh?
You tell me what will you play as black?
E4.
E4 or e5?
E5. Okay. E5. Yes. Okay.
So I will try to play different moves so that you are aware your opponent may play any of them and you will be ready for all of them.
Okay. So I will play N F6.
And f6, okay.
Mhm. Okay, I will also develop my knight. NC6. Mhm. A6. I play D6. I'm blocking this bishop now. This I'm opening, but this I'm blocking, right?
Yeah, maybe before this d6, you can develop this bishop somewhere.
And then I can move. Okay. So first I will develop this one. Where do I keep that? Okay. 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 You can put it here. What are the names of the C5. Bishop B C5. Why not again? Can I take it still further?
You tell me your move, then I will tell.
Because if one of that two comes, no, A2 comes, then I have to move my bishop again. So I don't want to move my coin twice. Yeah. So better to be C5.
Yeah, both are good. Like it's your personal choice. You can go to c5 also, and if you go to this, then you have to ready for this move, and then either go back or go to the same square again.
Okay.
So
I'll go to B4.
b4, okay.
See, one advantage I feel, of course, I don't know. As you said, we can go to A5. I'm on the same. Yes, but again, I'm moving the coin twice, pieces twice.
No, if your pieces are attacked, then you don't have any choice than moving twice or thrice. So you
Okay.
should not move your pieces twice, like even without uh, when they are not even attacked. So that is unnecessarily moving. But when
Okay.
your pieces are attacked, then of course you have to move.
Yes, I'll take it teaching A5. B A5. I have to complete check. Twice, thrice, I'm going with that. B6. B6.
So you will say bishop b6.
Bishop E6. Okay. Now this three moves was only about my bishop, right?
Yeah, matlab, it's not a big problem, but you can avoid that. You can straight away go to bishop c5.
Yes. Yes.
But this is also fine. Like it's not a big issue.
Okay. Because I am one, two. What I do? I will move my D. It comes to D6. D6. It comes here. What happens? This one. This one. This one. What is D. D6.
Okay.
Like mad, I removed my knight. Horrible play. Okay, okay. What I will do? Need to go on this. Because already I moved my pawn on E, I am avoiding pawn movement on H. But you can't avoid now.
Yes, ma'am. What are you thinking?
No, I was telling already I moved my pawn on A, no? So I'm just thinking whether to move my H pawn or no. H6.
What will be the problem in moving h6?
Because this A pawn already I've moved. So now if I want to do castling, no? So I'm not, the king is not well protected.
No, but like you can move this side pawn at least one square. These are always good. Like both pawns, if they go to a6 or h6, this is not at all a problem. Still, you can castle on any side.
Of course, castling we can do, but you're keeping your king like undefended sort, no?
No, this side pawn, it doesn't make much difference because it also gives some breathing square to your king.
Okay.
So even this pawn moves is good because suppose if you castle on this side and if white take you from this side and this side, then you can go to h7.
Okay.
So like this pawn moves is bit dangerous because you will be opening the diagonal for your king. And but this side pawn, one pawn move, for example, a6 or h6 is always good because if check comes from this last rank, then at least you will have one square to hide.
Okay. I'll
So
move my h6. Okay. The game which I played exactly similar to that, no?
yeah, so most of the game will look like this only.
Okay.
So that is why we have to be aware of like fundamental ideas how generally we should respond.
I'll take my white bishop out now. And where to go? Eight, I will move bishop g4. Why I move this? If that knight moves, no, I can take the queen. Now where do I go? Piche. This side, no. So I have only one place to go. h5, bh5. If I attack, my pawn will take. What should we do? Attacking my bishop also here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. bishop लेके जाते हैं. I will take my bishop on street. 1, 2, 3. अभी तो क्या हुआ? Oh my goodness. यहाँ रखिए. Bishop on d4. Yes, that on d4. Yes. No, that knight is there to attack. Oh my god. No, no, no. This knight is there, no? 1, 2, 3. I can take with my pawn then. I will lose my bishop. No. Not a good idea. Where to go now? No, no.
If you go to bishop d4, can this knight capture your bishop?
It can, but if it does, I will capture the queen from this bishop. Yes. I'm not looking there at all. Oh my god. Yes.
Of course, this knight will not capture and lose the queen.
Okay, so this is a good move by the black pieces.
So that I don't know. I am only telling this will be able to capture.
Appreciating myself. Yeah, because here, problem here, problem here. So better to move there only. d4, bishop d4. Array. To capture that, what will happen? The Ghoda will take. Oh, if you go there, this will take. Nowhere to go now. Where do I go? I should have taken my queen out. Now this whole game,
Yes.
so far what we have played now, at what stage I should have taken my queen out?
There was no stage for queen to go out. Like this is happening totally fine.
Acha.
Because see, white also has not moved his queen.
Ah.
So it means game is being played between these minor pieces.
Okay.
When there will be some space, some lines open, some diagonals open, then queen will become active.
Okay. Okay. Now I can't see my bishop. I see my bishop. So minute first now CCT. I will just check it out. Give me 2 minutes. CCT. Can I give check? Check कहाँ से देंगे? Okay. Thread, so many pieces on thread.
That is why it's very important to calculate and being very careful, because now there are like many pieces and it's look like too many pieces on the board,
Yes.
and we have
But
not.
my bishop was already under threat, no? When I moved to from B6, when I moved, it
Oh,
was
but
already under threat by this knight.
okay, but your bishop on b6 was saved because of this pawn.
But the bishop much more powerful than that knight, no?
Yeah, then that is your personal choice.
Oh, yeah, again I can come back again. Otherwise, now what I'm getting is only a pawn. So better come and take a knight. Okay. चलो पीछे आते हैं B6, bishop B6.
Okay, so you went from b6 to d5. Again, you are coming back on b6,
Yes,
and also
two
the
moves
same
wasted.
thing. Then also the same thing is there. If white capture your bishop,
Okay, instead of a pawn, I can take the knight, no? That is the idea. And my queen can move.
okay, like for example, C.
Mm.
Now, what is the idea?
I take with my C7 pawn, I take.
Yeah, that's what you will do. So,
Yes.
so I was saying, like, if you really want to save your bishop, you can simply go to bishop a7.
Okay. Oh, this place I can go. Okay. Why I don't look at it?
Because when you
My game is very weak, no?
because when you moved a6, this square become empty for you,
Empty. Yes.
and now your
So I
bishop
have saved
is
my bishop now.
yes, and now no one is attacking, and you are keeping the eye on this diagonal.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Buddha Simara. तो क्या होगा? If I take with the pawn, what will happen? Bishop will come. Then I take with the queen. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. चलो मारते हैं G7 cross. How will I write that? How do I write this?
You tell me.
G7. No, you have to just write like this. Now tell only the place I have to tell. G7 cross F6, right? F6. G7, it was on G7.
You will not write 7. You will only write G.
Okay. G cross
F6.
F6. We need not write that N also for knight.
No, no, it doesn't matter which piece you are capturing.
So it is just G cross F6, right?
Yes.
Okay, done.
Okay, so now you see that I captured your this knight and now this file is open.
Yes,
And you won't be able to castle on this side.
castle. Yes.
So this was my idea and let's see if you can prevent this.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
So,
Okay.
so when I played this, mm, maybe right now you can also play this. You can't play because of this bishop.
This bishop was on A7.
No, this is the earlier position that we are seeing.
Okay, fine. Which I went, I came back.
Okay. Hmm. D4.
Just a minute. Mobile silent. Phone call is coming. Yeah. Now it is the black's turn.
Yes, I played D4.
I'll move my king, queen now.
Where?
We need to go to E7 is better. Queen E7. Q E7. So this side castling I can do.
Yeah, you can do the castling any side.
Okay. Played, huh? Array. What I think the pawn came here. कैसे जाऊँ ऊपर? What all under threat I should first see. This point I should do castling or no?
If you do the castling, I will just capture your knight with my pawn.
Oh, the threat is there. Move my queen here. Give a check also. Move my queen now to D7.
D7 you are saying?
Yes.
Okay, if you go to D7, I will still capture your knight.
No problem. What else to do? But if I go up, this will capture, and here if that goes, then it is a check. So to avoid check also, I can move my queen.
Okay, but if you are moving your queen, you are putting your queen in the same diagonal as my bishop. There is a way to save the this knight. If you can't save, then there is a way to capture the other opponent piece so that it's equal. Like this position.
First is you said, yeah, I can save the knight. Second point, what did you say, sir?
Yeah, second point was suppose if you can't save your knight, so you can do some move so that when the white capture your knight, you capture the opponent piece so that it will be equal.
Once you save the knight, first thing. 1, 2, 3. Comes 1, 2, 3. पीछे, it can come पीछे. 2, B, it can come here. But it's checked, then I can't move my knight now. What to do? I can't move it, no? So, yes. What else to do? No, my queen only.
Okay, you are not able to move this knight because of this bishop, right?
Because of this, yes.
Because if you move this knight somewhere else, then it's a check.
It's a check, yes.
So you need to block this diagonal.
Okay.
And blocking this diagonal should come with an attack on bishop.
Acha. Okay.
So
Now I
now,
have prevented this.
yes, so now there is no check because of this pawn.
Hmm?
And second, you are attacking this bishop.
Yes.
So now suppose if white captures your knight, what will you do?
I will capture the bishop.
So you capture the bishop.
Yes.
And now it's equal because you lost your knight, and opponent lost his bishop.
The bishop. Okay.
And suppose if your opponent does not want to lose bishop, he will go like maybe there.
Yes.
And then you can save your
You
bishop.
can move this. Yes. Then I can move here. Yes. Wow. Okay. So make use of the pawn in such situations, no?
Yes, that is why we should make use of pawn in these situations.
Yes.
So right now there is only move that save the knight is this b5.
Is this one? Yes. Okay.
We will continue from here.
And the queen it's not the same, this I shouldn't keep. Otherwise, again, the same problem.
Yeah, because if we keep on the same diagonal, that anytime, sometime it will become very dangerous for your queen because this bishop will be on this diagonal.
Yes. I'll take the bishop now. So it is, how do I write this? B cross capital B, no, B cross,
It will be small b because these are pawns.
small b cross, I should write
a4.
A4, that's all, like
Yeah.
how we wrote for rook, right? So B cross A4, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. अरे रे, अरे रे. Use of something. I'll take my rook. Make use of the rook. I'll keep my rook on g8. What are the pieces under attack? First thing, I should see CCT mode. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, now CCT. Since now nothing is there, I can go there and give check. Let's do the make my queen movement now.
So now, as white, in between sometimes I may do some mistake from white, and you have to punish them.
Okay. So I move my rook now and then attack the king. Now this should be attacking the opponent's king.
Okay, attack, then we'll see.
Where do I start from? Start with the rook. No. And bishop is safe there. That time. If I go here, yes. From HR, what is that? G8. Okay. I'll take my bishop here to 6. B, G6.
BG6. What is the idea?
On there.
What?
Yeah, you have a pawn there, E4. I'm attacking E4. Nobody is defending that.
Okay, so, but when you go to bishop G6, I will get to know that you are attacking my pawn. So I can simply move my rook and it's saved.
Oh.
Okay, in this
Opponent's
position,
move. No, I'll think about something else now.
in
Think of the opponent's move, correct?
yes, in this position, you can win a piece. So in this position, I purposefully did a mistake. And now you have to find what is the mistake and you have to find how you can capture one of my piece.
Position, if I go there, the king will take my.
Now is the right time to calculate CCT.
If I take the knight, that pawn will take, attack that. If my rook takes this, this will take. One of bishop through that is protected there. This one goes here, down, this one. All the pieces are well defended.
Okay, we'll start.
Bishop here, no. See, my bishop attacks that, you have a rook here. If I attack here, yes, a pawn there. And
Okay, tell me all check giving moves first. Then we'll see.
check giving moves. With my
Yes.
rook on g, I can come to 2. g2.
Okay.
Yes.
If rook captures on g2 check, if king captures.
Gone. I lose my rook.
Okay, so just think to just confirming and rechecking. After king captures, do you have any other continuous check?
I will take with my bishop on h5. It captures the knight.
Okay, and then king captures.
Yes, again gone.
So white king is on f3. So keep checking. Do you have any other check?
The check. 2. Now the other check is, but this one again you have a rook there. If my bishop comes there to f2.
Yeah, but from f2 it's not a check because king is on f3.
Oh,
So in this everything you are losing one rook, one bishop, and I will be losing only knight.
yes.
So it means this rook capture on g2 is not working.
No.
So we will disregard this. Now tell me second check.
Okay.
Do you have any other check apart from this rook capture on g2?
But again that bishop check. Now of course, if the bishop takes that pawn, that is a check now. But of course
Tell
you
me
have
the
a rook
move.
here, so it will attack.
You are saying bishop capture on f2 check.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is a check. We need to check if it is good or not.
If I take that, that rook can take. But so
Then do you have anything?
I don't have what to protect. If I do, then with my rook I come.
Where,
My rook on G will come now.
where?
But where to come? That is protected by bishop also. Comes there. This bishop also can't take. Not a good move. How many? See, I'll be losing one B. Then comes
No, we are just checking and just calculating all the checks and then we will see which one is better.
Mhm.
So this bishop capture on f2 is also not good because then rook will simply capture.
Yes.
And after rook captures, you don't have any other check.
No.
So in this position, you had two check: rook capture on g2 and bishop capture on f2.
Yes.
And none of these checks are working.
Mhm.
So now we will see the captures. Tell me what all captures do you have?
I have the bishop to knight capture. H5. B H5 can capture And
Okay. So suppose bishop capture on f3, then what will white do?
oh, you can't move your pawn from there because it will be a check. Yes. This is actually working.
Yeah, so this is working and this is the move in this position.
Okay. Right.
But you can simply capture.
So this kind of calculations I should make.
Yes.
The full board I should see. I'm not seeing down and seeing up. If I'm seeing down, I'm not seeing.
So if you do the calculation in CCT mode, then only there are high chances that you will find this kind of tactic.
Yes.
So now this pawn won't be able to capture because of this rook.
This one. Yes.
And this rook now you are able to see because when you are calculating check, that time you saw that this rook is on the same file.
Yes.
That is why that process helped you to see after bishop captures, the pawn can't move.
Yes.
So that is why when you played rook g8, I purposefully castled to see if you are able to see this or not.
Which I didn't see. Oh my God.
Okay, so
CCP. 1 second. CCP. Check. Okay.
okay, right now apart from this rook g8, you have one more option of, like, for example, you have,
Just a second, sir. Just a second.
yes.
Hello. Nishan class ஆயிருக்கு கண்ணா. All well? Yeah. Bye bye. Yeah. Yes, sir. Sorry. Continue, sir.
Yeah, so you have already double pawn on f7 and f6.
Yes.
And so you can also force your opponent to do that. Like for example, if right now you capture this knight,
Yes.
then I have to capture with this pawn.
Yes.
And then I also have double pawn.
Yes.
So this is also one of the option which you can think.
Okay.
And if you go rook g8,
Sure.
what should I play? Yeah, let's play this. So I'm trying to play like your opponents, like the way they play,
Yes.
so that you get the exact experience.
Now my bishop under attack. So I go bishop g6. bg6. Yes. What will happen if I capture that pawn? I capture, how to write that? It should be only the positions I have to see, no? g6, g6 cross e4. g6 cross e4. Am I right?
No, you will not write g6. This is a bishop, not pawn.
Acha. So I should write b6.
You will not write.
bg.
You will not write 6. You will only write b and cross and e4.
Okay. b cross e4. Okay.
Okay, so this bishop capture on e4, you are winning a pawn, right? but you can win something more than that.
Mhm.
So remember, I told you I will try to play like your opponent.
Yes, yes.
So I may do many mistakes. So you
Mhm.
have to see what mistake I'm doing and try to punish them.
Yes.
So right
No better pieces. है now the queen. Okay. Mm, how to attack the queen? Queen protected. Mm, mm, that nothing can be done. That nothing can be done. Yeah. Mm, and you know bishop then this will go. Then this. Okay. Mm, I can see only this. The other one, the king will attack otherwise. This one, it is not, there is nobody to defend it.
what?
This one, no, I told this bishop to pawn this one, G. Hmm. Because this is not defended, right? The other bishop, if I take there, that is defended, the king will capture my bishop. And of course, my rook, the queen can take my rook and check. This is
Oh,
not a good move.
okay, so I want you to think, suppose if bishop goes to bishop capture on f2,
Hmm.
then king captures, right?
Yes.
Then who's to move?
Oh, it's the black to move. I capture the queen.
Yes,
Ah.
that is the idea.
So, so like this, I should calculations. Oh, let me capture this. Yes. Okay.
So this is also like one of the idea when this queen is there and you have a dark square bishop
Hmm.
or any square bishop and if the opponent king is on same color,
Yes.
then you can give check and then it will be a discovered attack on the queen.
Yes.
Then you will only lose a bishop, but you will win a queen.
Yes.
So, so that is why I captured this pawn
Okay.
because I wanted you to see that this kind of move also you can see.
Yes.
Of course, I will not capture your pawn and lose my queen. I will do something else.
Okay.
Let's play this.
Okay. Capture this and capture this. Attacking my commander. Capturing my queen stranded there. move my queen. Take my queen out. I take that pawn also. What now? Can I capture that pawn?
You tell me.
Bishop captures that e4. Having an eye on that. What is a better move? I'm thinking. Should I move a queen? The better move can be a queen to e6. Then later come there and give check or whatever. आगे बढ़ो.
Okay, so you can do queen e6 also, but you can capture this pawn also.
Yes. So what should be my first? This should be to capture. Huh?
Because if you are getting a pawn for free, then of course you should.
Okay. Okay. So I'll capture that, and this becomes free. The G file becomes free now.
Yes.
Once I move my bishop there. Yeah. So this G file, no, it is called.
Yes.
Oh. Pawn advancing fast. क्या करे? My rook should be connected now. How to connect? I can't do anything with it. No. Arey. Comes here. I can keep with this. Then this comes here. ठीक है, बाद में देखते हैं. Now if I capture this, what will happen? Chalo, I'll take my queen out. Queen comes to 1, 2, black is there. If I take your knight and give my bishop is there on e4, no?
Yes.
But if I attack your knight on f3, so what is the move here is I am targeting your rook and both the rooks rather. Yes. Chalo, करते हैं. As it is under danger with this queen. Yes. So I'll have to, the immediate threat is that.
This is really good. This is good that you are able to see this attack. So I moved this pawn to see if you are able to see that I am attacking your bishop or not.
Tell honestly, after I told na, I saw it very late.
Yeah, I know that because
I didn't see the queen first. I am looking down. You are coming with your pawn. You are advancing. I am looking this side, like CB, ABC side. Then I went up.
yeah, this is the trick generally,
So how do you view this? Like my position of the board, like how should I view? First ABCD say or what all it should start with?
So what you have to do is, like after each of your opponent moves, you have to calculate again, like see the all pieces again.
Okay.
So for example, before this B4, you already know where are the pieces.
Yes.
And when I played B5, again you think now you are playing a new game and again see the pieces.
First I should see my pieces, right?
Yeah, first you can see your pieces and then you see where are your opponent pieces.
Opponent's pieces, right.
And then you see who is attacking who is defending who, how many attacker are there, how many defender are there.
Yes.
So this whole process should take place after each move, especially in these kind of position.
Okay. So I will, okay. So now I take this bishop to F. It should be, how do I write this? B cross F3, right?
Yes.
This also I should see that one of your rooks is well defended by the queen, right? Yes. Okay. Where it came here. I will take that, attack that rook. Now what all has moved, which are we are targeting? Yeah. We have to target the queen. What I should do is, now what should be my move? Should I capture the rook? Okay. Try to capture the queen. That move is better, isn't it?
You tell me which move you will do.
No, we were talking some 5 minutes back. No, this, my bishop from A7 moves to that 2, F2. Then if it captures, that's a check. 1, 2. Then I capture the queen. Then you will take with your pawn. Array. The pawn is moved there. That time it was not there. Okay. So now I capture your rook on 1, H1. B cross H1.
Okay, so you can go to B cross H1 also, but it's always better to capture the queen.
But capture the queen, how do I capture? Now you have that one, I lose my rook.
So what? You are getting the queen against a rook. Queen is more
Queen.
powerful than a rook.
So I should go for this move. Acha. Okay. So I'll move my this bishop to E2. So how do I write that? B cross F2. Okay.
Yes.
And take the queen. So getting the queen is always okay. Yes. But you will reach there. I'll bring my queen there. Queen to D. Q D8. Yes. अरे रे देखा ही नहीं. I should have captured that knight, that rook.
Yeah, so be careful because my king was
Yes.
E1, but when I captured bishop, it came
That this.
closer to your
Yes.
bishop.
So I should have captured that. Okay. Fine. Now because there are two moves. One there. Okay. So my idea should be to save this bishop now, and this comes here, then my queen. Okay. One. D cross D1.
Okay.
Okay. And now I bring my queen to QD8. क्या करें क्या करें my queen goes then to A8.
Why not capture this bishop?
Then you will get a queen here, no?
Yeah, so this is my idea. I played this bishop because I am giving you bishop free.
Yes.
And
Yes.
if you capture this
Yes, I
bishop,
saw. That's why immediately I saw this. So I'll move my queen to DA8.
okay, now I am telling you again, you can capture this bishop and I will be not able to get a queen. Can you find out how?
Because that is a white. So I have a white bishop here. But this is angle. That you're telling that I need not capture the bishop at the same time. I won't allow to take a queen, right?
No, I am saying you can capture the bishop and at the same time I will be not able to get the queen. Like you know, earlier we were discussing, suppose if you capture this bishop, then I will get my queen.
Yes.
Now I am saying if you capture this bishop, then also I will be not able to push this pawn and get my queen. You have to find out how.
Is it possible? This also pawn is good. From here, this will come here. Maybe if I capture this, comes here. But my king is there, no? My rook is here. It can't come. Okay. Comes here. No. Is it possible here?
Okay, I want you to tell me, suppose if you capture this bishop,
Yes.
then can I push this pawn and get my queen?
Next one you will get a queen. Yes.
So this move is illegal.
Why?
You tell me.
Okay. I'm not looking at the white king. ऐसे चलेगा ऐसे. Okay.
So you are
So I
capturing this. You are capturing
yes.
bishop. It is coming with a check.
Check. Yes.
So now black has to first save. White has to first save his king.
Yes.
And when the white king save himself by going anywhere, then either you can come back to defend this square, or you can simply move to king e7 and then
Yeah.
it will be defending.
Yes. So opponent's king, always I should have an eye on the opponent's king.
You should always have eye on check giving moves.
Check giving moves. Okay.
So now in addition to this bishop capturing, you are also giving check.
Yes.
And this check is giving you time of moving your king to e7 and then this rook will be defending this.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, 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 oh. I will move my king up. Yes. I will go. I will go. Take my rook there. What will happen if I take my rook to A8? From G8, my rook to A8. Yes. Okay. Give check now. Check. Okay. What should I do? Go for the pawn movement. Queen into 2. F2. That's here. I will capture this pawn first. A7.
Now there is a better move.
There is a better move.
Because this pawn on a7 is going nowhere.
Okay.
You are blocking this pawn with your rook.
Yes.
So you can capture this pawn anytime you like.
Okay. So don't worry about that part. Acha. Okay. My queen here. So what happens? This way, pitching. It can't come here. It can't come here. It can't come here. It will go there. If I come here, no. The moment is here. The problem controlling. It can't come here. Can't come here. Can't come go there. I will come to F4. Queen F4. Queen F4. What is the idea? One.
F for this square, right?
Yes. That's right.
Okay.
Because see, the king comes here. Isn't it can't come here? It can't come here. Yes.
Okay, now I will tell you the move and you tell me why this move is best.
Why this move is?
Why this move is good.
Okay.
So the move is queen f3 check. You have to find out why this move is good.
It's a good move or no, you're asking, huh? Your voice is very low today.
Okay. So I was saying it's a good move. You have to tell me how.
It can go, the king can go piche, no? D2 it can go.
Okay, let's see. If you go to queen f3 check, king goes to
Yes.
d2 now.
D. Okay. So I can attack that.
Now you can simply capture the rook.
Okay.
So the main idea is that when you go to this queen f2 check,
Hmm.
you have to wait because this opponent rook is in white square.
Okay.
So you should try to give check from the white square so that you can attack also the rook and also the king.
The king. Okay.
So when this king goes to king d3, now you have chance of coming to this square and giving the check and at the same time attacking the rook.
Okay.
So when you are trying to attack and finding check moves, always also try to find like this double attack.
Okay.
So double attack are always dangerous. Okay.
Now we'll attack that pawn and go up. Attack that also and take the queen and come. Right? Mm, go up and give check. Rook. Rook captures that pawn and gives check.
How will you say that move?
R X A3.
Yeah, rook capture on a3 check plus hold.
Rook capture on A3. Plus I should write, no?
Yeah, because it's a check.
Yes. R cross A3 plus. Okay. To check. Okay. Oh, 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 oh. Now will come this end. This end pawn I'll take. H3. So this, how do I write this? R X H3.
When your opponent does not have any piece and when you have two piece, you should not like you can try to capture the pawns, but you should try to checkmate first.
Okay.
So try checkmating the white king first.
So queen comes to A1.
Okay.
Queen A1. Okay.
Yes, what is the idea?
Now the king cannot capture my rook. And it's a check.
Yes,
Where it
good.
can go, where it cannot go there. Of course, this side it can go middle row. Middle row it can go. Okay. So that time I shouldn't be eager to capture the pawn and all this. Okay.
Yeah, you should always try to see the good check and check giving moves.
Okay. Now what I do? This we learned, no? We check. Then it will come there. Rook goes up to A2.
Okay, so if you
Rook A2 is better or Queen A2 is better, I'm thinking.
you tell me what should be your idea, where you should force this king to go.
Now if I go up, it will come down. If it comes here, my queen is there. But this side it can move. I want the king to be on the top row. So it's better to move the queen. If I move the queen, it can't come down. It will go up one number row. Okay. After that, okay, we have to move the queen to 2.
Yeah, so you can do that also. You are achieving your objective that king will go down.
Yes.
Okay, but this you can achieve with this move also.
Okay, because my rook is there. Okay, fine.
Because if you go to
So
a
both ways, no, I can either move my rook or my.
no, if you move your rook, then this king will go there.
No, no, I'm telling my rook can come here, no, like the queen you showed, no.
Okay, if you go there, then
This.
yeah, this is also good move. It goes there.
But if my queen was there, that's better actually. Yes, queen's move is better, no? Okay. Okay.
Start with this.
Yes. Okay. Now what should I do? Mm, rook goes up. तो क्या होगा? Let's see. Check. It can come. It can't come. It can't come. It can't come. It can't come. Rook to e1. Check. Now what is happening? It's a checkmate. One,
It's a
two,
checkmate.
3, 4. This is a checkmate or stalemate, I'm thinking. Again, coming to the basics.
You tell me if white king is does not have any move, and also it should be in check.
Hmm. This is in check and it can't save itself. Game over. It's a check.
Yeah. So
Checkmate.
yes.
Yes.
So this is how you will. You should always try to play. You know, always be aware of these kind of tactic.
Okay.
So,
After
like,
every move, no, I should see what the opponent is planning. And the second thing, no, like when is my move coming? Like how that queen, we were talking about the queen attacking the queen, no, capturing the
yes,
queen move.
yes,
So my calculations there were terribly wrong.
yes. So yeah. So